We are the students of KB Chandeni class 9. My name is Dishaswini.
And this is Dakshita Srivastava.
I am Panchchan.
My name is Varun Tiwari.
And I am Anshika Jain.
In this project, we make a miniature form of sewage water treatment. First of all, I want to tell you what is sewage water treatment. Sewage water treatment is the process we convert the wastewater into the usable form of water, then use it in various forms. And we can use this process into various fields like agriculture, industrial, and so many others. We have used so many materials in it. First of all, for the base, we take thermocol sheets, cardboard. Nextly, for this stairs-like structure, we have used it. Thermocol and cover it with plastic so that it won't affect by water. Nextly, we use the plastic containers to show you the basic process. We take sheave for bulb screening. Nextly, we take motor and battery and fan blades for aeration tank. We use pipes to make water flow. And last thing that we use is this small control room that is used to control all the processes.
Now let's start the process. This is sewage waste water. Firstly, the water flows to the first stage, which is bar screening. In this process, all the large particles like plastic bottles, plastic bags get filtered and water flows to the second stage, which is screening. In this process, all the sand particles got settled down by the process of sedimentation and water. Nextly, the water flows to the another stage, which is third stage.
The next stage is called the primary clarification stage, clarifier stage. This stage is used for the small particles are settled down in the bottom and the water flow into the fourth stage. And this is the fourth stage. This stage is used for air pump for the bacteria. These bacteria are take.
Now water comes to fifth stage known as secondary clarification tank, in which water flows slowly so that particles settle down in the bottom and removed from the water. Now the next stage is chlorination tank. In this tank, chlorine is added in the water to kill the bacteria and make water for use.
After all the various processes, the water comes to the distributed chamber and it is distributed to all the regions where it needed. For online support, we also use modern technique called QR code. You can also scan to know more about it.
See, there are so many processes that is used in it. There are so many benefits that we can use the sewage water treatment. First of all, it prevents waterborne pollution. Nextly, we use the safeguard public health and safety, improve efficiency, increase byproduct recovery, avoid industrial equipment, minimize waste, clean and safe to process water, and lastly, it saves so much water that we can use it in our country in so many ways.
Thank you.